We are a group of Tibetans, climate activists, and human rights advocates who are seriously concerned about Anya Sengdra.
Anya Sengdra is a Tibetan human rights defender and climate activist who was working on anti-corruption and environment issues in Chinese-occupied Tibet.
Anya was arrested on September 4, 2018 by security forces in Gaide County, and then was beaten and held without access to a lawyer for the first 48 days of his detention.
The charges against him: gathering people to disturb public order and picking quarrels and provoking trouble. These are ambiguous charges used to silence climate activists and human rights defenders.
In a sham trial, Anya Sengdra was found guilty on December 6, 2019 by a court in Golak Prefecture, Amdo, in eastern Tibet.
After Anya's lawyer appealed the verdict on the eve of Earth Day, it was announced that Anya would appear before a judge again on April 26th or 27th.
Anya faces up to 10 years in prison for the simple crime of fighting for the environment.
Enough is enough. This is completely unacceptable.
As the world continues to face the threats of climate change, frontline communities and indigenous activists are often the ones putting their lives on the line to protect the environment.
This is why we must stand with environmental activists like Anya Sengdra.
Please join us and Students for a Free Tibet in sharing this video to spread awareness about Anya's case before he goes back to court.
You can also stand in solidarity with Anya by signing the petition to call for his release.
Once you've signed the petition, make sure to call your country's embassy or consulate in China and ask that they request information about Anya's case and demand his release. A simple internet search can help you find the number.
Let's honor the earth by standing in solidarity with frontline climate activists like Anya.